Today I'm going to show you how to use a ballet bar for yourself to improve your overall balance and coordination. This piece of equipment isn't just for people who are very into intense ballet, but can also be used for beginners and seniors who just want to improve the steadiness on their feet. Let's see how we can use it to do just that. So basically a ballet bar is a very simplified way to just hold on to something. Instead of using a wall, which is kind of awkward at times, this offers you a nice stable foundation to grab onto when practicing balance drills. For example, I can do a feet together hold, and as I need to, I can kind of use that ballet bar as a way to catch myself. You can of course do more complex movements, which might make you ultimately fall a little bit, which is why you can have this here to catch yourself. Another great way you can use this is doing functional movements like a squat. This takes a lot of balance and coordination to do for yourself, so having that ballet bar can offer you a little bit of extra stability. Basically, any movement that you would normally do that takes a lot of balance, you can use this ballet bar for some assistance. Try it out for yourself. Let me know down in the comments which exercises you're doing. Like the video if this helped you out. Subscribe to the channel as we help individuals inside the gym and become healthier in life, regardless of their current abilities. I'm going to link below a ballet bar that you can purchase for yourself to use at home. Otherwise, I think you would enjoy this video I'm going to link showing you a few of my favorite exercises to improve your balance.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.